Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee here, and today I'm bringing you another case review for the iPhone X. Now today we're going to get into the Diztronic TPU case. Now if you've been seeing my channel for a while, guys, I did this case review I think on the iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 Plus, I can't remember. Very simple TPU case that I always grown to like. It's a case that I always seem to try out when I get a new device. Diztronic always makes some pretty decent cases, guys, and I think they're kind of slept on when it comes to the case game. So as you see, guys, very minimalistic packaging, nothing much to see here, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Alright guys, like I said, this will be a quick one, guys. No thrills whatsoever when it comes to this case. You have a matte black TPU style case, as you can see here. Very simple, very basic, but a nice case nonetheless. So on the right side, guys, you do have that raised power button there. Flipping over to the bottom, you have a cutout for your lightning cable and your speakers. On your left side, raised volume up, volume down, cutout for your mute toggle. Flipping over on the back, you have a cutout for your camera and flash. And on the side here, guys, you do have some Diztronic branding there. So let's go ahead and pop the iPhone X into the case, see how it actually fits. So here is the Diztronic TPU case, and on the iPhone X. So let's take a look around the case, guys. On that right side, your power button is very nice and tactile. You do not have to push it much to activate it. Let's go ahead and unlock the device. Tactile volume up, tactile volume down. No issues there. On the bottom side, guys, all your cutouts are spot on. Top closed. Of course, on the back, you have a cutout for that camera and your flash. And as you can see, it doesn't look like it, but it is protected just enough so when you sit it down on a table, you won't actually scratch your camera lens there. Next, let's look at the lay on the table protection, guys. Now, as you can see, the Diztronic TPU comes with a very nice lip of lay on the table protection. Now, we're talking about a $10 TPU case, giving you a pretty decent lip, more of a lip than most cases tend to offer when you're paying 30-some bucks or something like the Presidio grip. You're getting almost the same level of lip protection on it, guys. So it does have a nice lip for lay on the table protection, as well as you can see I'm running a tempered glass as well. Next, how does it actually fit on the device, guys? And for the most part, yeah, it seems a little snug, but it's a little flimsy, but it's a flimsy that I'm almost willing to tolerate. It's not too flimsy. It snaps right back into place really fine. Even though you guys, if you follow my channel, you know I hate flimsy sides. But Diztronic is one case that is almost right in the middle of being flimsy, but it's also sturdy at the same time, guys. And I can almost deal with this when dealing with a case. The top is pretty, the top and bottom are pretty snug as well. I can deal with this level of flimsy, guys. And if you get this case, you'll know exactly what I mean. So Diztronic, make it a little bit tighter. But once again, I'm going to say this again. Diztronic, please go back to making the Voyeur series. You made the Voyeur series for the iPhone, either was the 7 Plus or the 6S Plus, but that was the best case you guys ran, man. And if you guys don't know what the Voyeur series is, it was exactly this same case. Had a cutout for the Apple logo. All four sides had a little more reinforced rubber, but the fit of that case was such a glove fit, guys. It was just like this, but provided a very, the sides were a little bit more stiffer. They only made it for that one series phone, guys, and never made it again. But Diztronic, if you're watching this video, please, please, please make the Voyeur case again, guys. I would get that case ASAP and would highly recommend it because I already know what it offers. But nonetheless, guys, the fit is pretty good for this case. Next, how does it fit in your hand? Now, in your hand, guys, it actually remains very thin. The rubber TPU feel, that's to you if your hands generate a lot of moisture like mine. It can seem to get a little slippery, but me right now holding it, it doesn't seem like it'll get that slippery at all. And last but not least, guys, does it work with wireless charging? Yes, it does, as always. So, once again, guys, this is the Diztronic matte TPU case for the iPhone X. This case will run you $10 on Amazon, and I think it comes in a few different colors as well. Let me check real quick. Actually comes in 4 different colors. You have black, red, navy blue, and teal blue. But as always, guys, I will leave the link to this product down in the description below. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Later.